In this guide, I'm going to show you where you can find the Google Chrome download folder here on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more iPhone and Google Chrome related content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let's say you went ahead and downloaded something here on Google Chrome. In my case, I'm going to download something real quick. You're actually going to see this little download icon down in the bottom of your screen. Well, you're going to want to go ahead and hit save and then hit save again. But if you're having issues finding where exactly this went, what you're going to want to do is actually swipe out of Google Chrome and then swipe down and type in Files to open up the Files app. Now, what you're going to want to do here is actually hit browse down in the bottom right corner, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is select on my iPhone, and then from here, you're going to want to scroll down until you specifically see a Chrome folder. This is where all your downloads from Google Chrome are going to be saved. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and as you can see right here, this is the file that I just downloaded off of Google Chrome on my iPhone. If you don't see it, go ahead and tap the search bar back here and type in Chrome to make it a little bit easier to find it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.